Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're going to do a little bush hogging today. I got my John Deere 55 horse and got my Kodiak 6-foot bush hog, medium duty. I've had this for several years. Actually, it was made right over the hill there. The factory used to be over there, but they've sold out. But I really like this bush hog, and it does a real good job. So my main goal today is get this little area here between where we're standing and where we cut hay, which is probably about, I don't know, 100 yards that way or so, and probably about 200 yards this way. So I'm gonna get that mowed, and I'll show you how I do it. And then after I get it mowed, I'll kind of give you the backstory of this little area and kind of what I want to do with it. It's kind of rough right now, and then after I explain, you'll know why it's rough. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. I already made a round to kind of get my level set before I get real busy on it. So we're gonna get started and get her bush hogging. Okay, so I got her bush hogged. It took me probably about an hour and 15 or 30 minutes. I forgot to look at my watch anyway. But it bush hogged really nice. It's kind of rough down in here, and that's why I don't run my tractors or my A-mobiles or my sheep down in here. And the reason it's like that, this used to be a pond, and right in here, and I'd go down. It's probably about 12 foot deep, and the sides were so steep coming up that you couldn't run a tractor this way. You'd go up and down to bush hog it. Matter of fact, it's so steep, I had a old Willys Jeep, a 47 model, and we'd take it up and hill climb with it. It was so, to try it out after we worked on it and everything. But it's going to keep it a pond, and I don't know if you can tell, but kind of in the valley up through here, the water would come down through here and fill it up. It never did hold water, and I tried some stuff, put a little clay in it, and run some pigs in it. Tried a little bit of that bentonite, but that was expensive at the time. So nothing never worked. It never would hold water. So not this neighbor, but my farthest, the next neighbor up, he built a big old pond, so it stopped all the water coming down in here for a while. So after a couple of years, I decided to fill it in. So I started filling it in. I knocked down the dam part, and with a backhoe, and I really need to get a dozer here now to kind of really smooth it out, and I think that would finish it off. Basically what I want to do is cut it in thirds, like my hayfield, one section, this will be a section, then over here where I did my fence back in the winter would be a section. So I would have thirds, and I can run my sheep and stuff in here, you know, rotation, graze them. That's my ultimate goal, and but I think I am going to have to get a dozer in here because it's kind of rough still. Then for a while he did something and water started coming back down, so I think that's why our thing flooded last year. So I kind of need to keep a little bit of depression, kind of give a little buffer, but I need to smooth it out anyway. But anyway, that's the backstory of it, and why it's kind of been a thorn in our side. We've been trying to do it for several years, get it smoothed out where we can use it, because right now it's kind of useless. I'd be afraid to, like I said, to run my Eggmobile down in there, and I'm afraid to tear it up. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about 90% sure we'll be at the farmer's market Saturday morning. We're gonna have a squash, some pickles, or picklers, pickle and cucumbers. We'll have a few peppers, and we might even have some of the T-word. We might even, if we don't eat them all before Saturday, we might have a few tomatoes. So I'll put on Facebook what we're going to have and what time. For sure we'll be there and all that stuff. So follow us on Facebook if you want to come to the farmer's market and get some food. We'll have eggs there too, for sure. Definitely have some eggs because we've got a surplus of those right now. And something else I thought we was going to have, but I can't think of it. But anyway, if I do, I'll put it on Facebook, because we'll pick Friday, and then Friday evening we'll put it on. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, help us grow. We post videos 7 days a week. Remember, support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.